Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to file your prior year taxes in 2026, step by step. If you missed filing in a previous year, don't worry, you can still submit a late return. The first thing you need to do is determine which tax year you're filing for, because each year has its own specific tax forms and rules. You must use the correct version of the tax forms for that specific year, not the current year's forms. Next, gather all your documents from that year, including W-2 forms, 1099 forms, business income records, and any deduction or credit information. If you're missing documents, you can request wage and income transcripts from the IRS website to see what was reported under your Social Security number. After that, complete the correct prior year tax return. Most tax software only supports the current year online, so you may need to purchase prior year software or download and manually fill out the forms. Prior year returns usually must be printed and mailed, since electronic filing is often limited to the current tax season. Once completed, double-check everything carefully, sign the return, and mail it to the correct IRS address listed for that tax year and your state. If you owe taxes, include payment or set up a payment plan. If you're expecting a refund, remember there is generally a 3-year deadline to claim it. Filing as soon as possible helps reduce penalties and interest. Subscribe the channel for more videos.